Welcome to the Beginner's Roadmap for using AI in everyday life. Today, we'll unravel how artificial intelligence seamlessly fits into your daily routines, from boosting productivity to simplifying chores and improving wellness. Guided by our friendly virtual mentor, you'll discover step-by-step methods and relatable, real-world examples for transforming how you live. Imagine AI as the helpful friend you never knew you needed, quietly optimizing the little things that make up your day. Our journey starts by understanding how these smart technologies already influence your life, sometimes without you noticing, from the apps you use to the appliances in your home. Let's unveil this invisible assistant and see how it shapes your personal world. Before diving into advanced features, let's map out the basics. We'll outline a simple 3-step plan. First, identify your everyday tasks. Second, examine which ones can be automated or improved with AI. And finally, match the best AI tools to your routine. This practical approach will guide you smoothly toward real, measurable benefits. For productivity, AI shines as your digital organizer, helping you manage time, set reminders, and prioritize activities. Imagine automating meetings, tracking deadlines, or using voice assistants to sort emails while you focus on bigger goals. With just a few clicks, you'll unlock hours of free time, making each day more efficient and less stressful. In the comfort of your home, AI becomes an invisible caretaker, regulating your thermostat, controlling lighting, and monitoring security for peace of mind. Smart devices sync harmoniously, responding to your preferences and routines without constant manual input. This hands-free environment isn't futuristic fiction. It's an accessible reality making daily. When it comes to health, AI acts as your personal wellness advisor. From wearable fitness trackers analyzing your sleep to smart apps that guide balanced meal choices, AI tailors its support to your unique needs. Small, data-driven nudges encourage healthier habits, so progress toward wellness feels natural and fits seamlessly into your daily flow. As you implement these steps, remember, adapting to AI means starting small and choosing tools that genuinely match your lifestyle. Test one feature at a time, perhaps automating reminders or adjusting smart home settings, before expanding your toolkit. With gradual changes, AI transforms from a vague trend into a familiar, invaluable assistant in your everyday. With these daily AI strategies in place, you'll soon notice tasks become more manageable, and your routines begin to flow with newfound efficiency. It's not about replacing your instincts, but enhancing your decision-making and freeing up time for what truly matters. Your AI journey evolves through real-life practice, building confidence and comfort with each step you take. As you gain experience, explore more advanced AI options tailored to your unique activities. Whether automating chores, exploring smart health insights, or leveraging productivity analytics, AI adapts as your needs evolve. Let curiosity guide you. Each new step unveils powerful tools that reshape your daily landscape and empower you toward smarter living. Congratulations! By following this practical roadmap, you're now equipped to make AI work for you in small and meaningful ways each day. For the latest tutorials and easy-to-follow updates, subscribe and join a supportive community exploring the future of smart living together. Step into tomorrow with confidence on your journey to mastering AI in daily life.